Hello, little Leute. Today I'm going to be taking you on how to fix the issue of driver shortening with your software. I just encountered a problem with my CorelDraw X8 and I have to fix it. I have to fix it because I have a job to execute. This is not going to take us time. It's going to take just a few steps, or within seconds, we're done, and you will be back on track. First thing to do when you have this problem, you have to click on close. Yeah, I just closed a CorelDraw. Now, what else should I do? Click on your keyboard, just tap the key Window R. Now you have the run explorer, and then you type percentage app data percentage. So you click on your OK button, it's going to prompt up a folder. So in this folder now, you can actually locate any software that is giving you this ache, and then you delete it. So I have CorelDraw, it's not functioning, so I have to click on my delete button. Now that is alles. That's all. You're done. All you need to do is to start up your CorelDraw once again. And believe in me, it's not going to repeat again. And anytime it occurs, just do this. And you're free to go. You enjoy your software. Let's watch it. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. So, so we have it right. It's working. Wow. So do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you.